Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Toyota RAV4. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has only had one owner, has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.